The Delta Cube product, it's 3 fans high, stacked. It gives you flexibility to add more cooling as you need, and there's no access needed between a Delta Cube, so you can have them adjacent with no space between all the way down. And it also gives you the flexibility to swap it out. The DeltaFlow came about when Aligned reached out to us as a good partner of theirs to see if we could work with them collaboratively to develop their own unique product for the liquid cooling market. We worked collaboratively with them to package all of the parts and pieces that are needed for the facility fluid that's coming in, to incorporate strainers and control valves and braze plate heat exchangers. We ended up using the control platform that Aligned preferred. We used our resources to get the right supply chain, so it's been a very good collaborative effort.